Are you prepared for an emergency situation on the road? This is a question we all need to ask ourselves. Today we're exploring the crucial concept of readiness, specifically focusing on creating a do-it-yourself car survival kit. We'll be covering 22 invaluable items that should be part of your kit. These are the essentials that could make all the difference when you're faced with a crisis on the road. So, let's get started. Let's embark on this journey together. Welcome to the ultimate checklist for building your own car survival kit. We're not just talking about items, we're talking about necessities that could make all the difference. First on our list is water and water purification. Remember, water is life. It's important to have enough water for every person in your vehicle and a reliable purification method to make any water you find safe to drink. Next, consider high-protein snacks. These could range from protein bars to beef jerky and other non-perishable foods. When you're on the road and in a survival situation, you're going to need energy. High-protein snacks are compact, have a long shelf life, and can provide that much-needed energy boost. A comprehensive first aid kit is non-negotiable. Accidents happen, especially in emergency situations. Your kit should contain bandages, antiseptics, tweezers, medical tape, and pain relievers, among other essentials. Be ready to handle medical emergencies on the road. Emergency blankets are another must-have. They're compact, lightweight, and can help you stay warm in extreme conditions. Hypothermia is a real threat in survival situations, and these blankets can be a literal lifesaver. When the sun goes down, reliable lighting becomes your best friend. Flashlights and extra batteries are crucial. They can help you navigate in the dark, signal for help, and even ward off potential threats. On the topic of versatility, a knife and rope are indispensable. Whether you need to cut something, secure items, or even defend yourself, these tools can prove invaluable. Communication is key in any emergency situation. Having a way to receive updates about weather conditions, road closures, or emergency broadcasts can make all the difference. Consider emergency radios and other communication devices for your kit. In the age of GPS, it's easy to forget about traditional navigation tools. But technology can fail. Having physical maps and a compass as a backup is a smart move. Basic tools for minor car repairs are another essential. Jumper cables, a tire iron, a car jack, these are all things that can get you back on the road when you need it most. Finally, don't forget about emergency cash. In a cashless society or during emergencies, having some cash on hand can be crucial. Whether it's for fuel, food, or unexpected tolls, cash is king in a crisis. Remember, these items are not luxuries. They're necessities that could make the difference between survival and tragedy. In the next segment, we'll delve into seasonal necessities and how to adjust your kit for different times of the year. But for now, take a moment to consider these essentials and start building your car survival kit today. We can't overlook the changing seasons and their impact on emergency preparedness. Just as the world around us changes with the seasons, so should our car survival kit. Winter brings with it a host of challenges. The cold can be brutal, and it's essential to stay warm. Stock up on thermal blankets. They're lightweight yet designed to retain heat. Hand warmers can be a real lifesaver too. Compact and easy to use, they provide instant warmth to fight off frostbite. Don't forget an ice scraper. It's not just a convenience item, it's a necessity when you need to clear your windshield for visibility. Snow can quickly turn your vehicle into an igloo. A small, sturdy shovel can help you dig out of a snowdrift. And tire chains, they can provide the much-needed traction on icy roads. Remember, winter is not just about the cold, it's also about reduced daylight hours. So ensure you have extra batteries for your flashlight, and perhaps even a headlamp for hands-free operation. As the seasons turn, summer brings its own set of challenges. The heat can be just as deadly as the cold. Hydration becomes even more critical. Increase your water stockpile and consider adding electrolyte tablets to counteract the effects of sweating. Sunscreen and hats are must-haves to protect against harmful UV rays. And let's not forget about insect repellents. Mosquitoes and ticks are more than just a nuisance. They can carry diseases. A battery-powered fan can be a godsend when you're stuck in a car without air conditioning. And remember to rotate your food supplies. Heat can shorten the shelf life of many foods, so consider options that can withstand higher temperatures. Your car survival kit needs to adapt to the changing seasons. By anticipating the challenges each season brings, you can better equip yourself to face any emergency situation. Preparedness is not a one-size-fits-all proposition. It's a continuous process of adaptation and improvisation, and that's what makes it an adventure. Parents, your responsibilities are unique. Let's address the specific needs of parents and children during emergencies on the road. Ensuring the safety and well-being of your little ones during a crisis requires thoughtful planning. The first thing to consider is a child-friendly first aid kit. While your standard first aid kit is invaluable, there are certain medical supplies that are specifically designed for children. For instance, think about including children's pain and fever relievers, Band-Aids with fun prints to ease their fears, and pediatric electrolyte solutions to prevent dehydration in case of illness. If your child has specific medical needs or allergies, ensure you have the necessary medications and equipment. It's all about making sure that you can respond effectively to any medical situation your child may encounter. But it's not just about the physical well-being of your child. Psychological comfort is equally important during stressful situations. That's where comfort items come into play. These are objects that provide your child with emotional comfort and a sense of security. It could be a favorite stuffed animal, a beloved blanket, or a cherished toy. Having these familiar items can help reduce anxiety and fear, making the situation more manageable for them. Also, consider packing child-friendly snacks. We all know how particular kids can be about their food. Having their favorite snacks can not only provide necessary nutrition, but also bring a sense of normalcy in an otherwise stressful situation. Additionally, think about entertainment. Small, portable games, coloring books, or storybooks can keep children occupied during long waits or car rides. It's about making the situation as comfortable as possible for them, while ensuring their safety. To wrap up, your car survival kit as a parent should be a balance of practical items and those that cater to your child's emotional needs. In a crisis, a well-prepared parent can make all the difference to a child's experience. As a parent, your car survival kit needs to have items that cater to your children's needs. There you have it. The knowledge to build a DIY car survival kit that covers all the bases. We've covered the essentials, from water and high-protein snacks to a comprehensive first aid kit, emergency blankets, and reliable lighting. Remember, these aren't just items, they're lifelines that could make all the difference in a crisis. We've also explored the importance of versatile tools like a knife and rope, communication devices, and traditional navigation tools. I can't stress enough the importance of these assets when technology fails us, and never underestimate the value of basic tools for minor car repairs and having emergency cash on hand. We've considered the changing seasons and their impact on emergency preparedness, emphasizing the need to adapt your survival kit to the harsh conditions of winter and the challenges of summer. Parents, we've also addressed your unique responsibilities discussing the specific needs of children during emergencies on the road. I encourage you to start building your own car survival kit. It's not just about being ready for the worst, it's about ensuring your survival and the survival of those you care about. Take this knowledge, apply it, and remember that preparedness is the key to resilience. With that said, I will catch you on the next one. Stay prepared.